अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम्
अक्षररूपिणि अक्षरहासिनि अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम्
अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम्
अक्षररूपिणि अक्षरहासिनि अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम् पालय माम्
ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि ज्ञानप्रदायिनि ज्ञानसरस्वति पालय माम्
विहारिणि पालय माम्
सुमधुर सुस्वर संगीतामृत नादस्वरूपिणि पालय माम् ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि ज्ञानप्रदायिनि ज्ञानसरस्वति पालय माम् ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि ज्ञानप्रदायिनि ज्ञानसरस्वति पालय माम्
अक्षररूपिणि अक्षरहासिनि अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम्
सरस्वति पालय माम् ज्ञानस्वरूपिणि ज्ञानप्रदायिनि ज्ञानसरस्वति पालय माम्
अक्षररूपिणि अक्षरहासिनि अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम्
अक्षरवासिनि पालय माम्
अक्षररूपिणि
celebrating this festival. So first of all, I'm very thankful for the parents who spend their time, their valuable time here for taking part in this occasion. And I also thankful for our core teachers who made this program a great success. So as it's the birthday of Saraswati Mata, who is known as the goddess of wisdom. So let she shower her blessings upon us. And here our teachers, they are very giving their betterment for the welfare of the students. So I hope that our teachers are going to achieve a great success in this academic year also. And I wish you all the best for 10th class students, those who are going to appear their SSC public examination. And today we are very happy that we are going to start the SSC, that is junior 10th also. So for them also I wish my all the best to all the students. So finally, I conclude my speech with a happy Vasant Panchami. Thank you very much.